Alright, so I'm making a quick video about Meteora. I'm on the website right now, app.meteora.ag. The Ghibli token that's been pretty busy for the last couple of days. I'm looking at the chart of it here. So I'm going to show you how to open a pool on here. So right now, because it's so popular, it's already on the home page. So on the home page, Meteora DLMM pools, Ghibli Sol, the pair, is already like the second most popular page on the entire website right now. So you have three options. You have bin step 25, bin step 100, and bin step 20, and different fees on here. And then over here, you have 24-hour fees. So you look at these. This one's the highest, you see at 83.46, but this is a bin step 20, which means it has to be a very tight range. I'm going to bring up the chart of Ghibli bigger so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You make a good return on here when the price is like through a range like this, for example. Like you want like this, and then it comes, started to trend down again. But across this, imagine like across this whole range, that's really good because you make fees like throughout this whole time, but it can't go too much up or down from your entry. If you're in bin step 20, that's pretty tight. So I'm just doing more conservative. Bin step 20 and bin step 25 are both very tight, and you'll come in above or below the range and start making the fees. So I'm doing the 100. I'm doing the 100 step. You can see my position here. I just got 3K. Got 3K in liquidity. It's making 15% every 24 hours. So it's not crazy high, but the chart is looking reasonably good at the moment. It's been good for like over 24 hours in a range here. Like if we look at the hourly chart, obviously it's covered with all my tracked wallets as well, but like these are hours, yeah. So like for a while it's been heading up in a range, comes down, comes up, comes down. So and this is important too. So like you see my position here. I try to keep the Ghibli token and Solana reasonably close together. And you see so far there's been $500 of fees claimed. 3K liquidity position right now. I try to keep these two reasonably even in dollar value. This is my unclaimed. It's been about an hour, I guess. It's got like $38 there. This is important, this range. So you see I'm like heading up towards the higher part of the range. But as long as it stays like within this whole bracket, it's good, and it tells you like what the price is. So the price in Sol to the coin, you see the numbers and you want to keep it like that. I'm just going to show like what it looks like if you're making a new position, you pick where you slide this bar. If you want to be like a little bit more bullish on the coin, you can move it up so you get less space on the minimum side, and then the maximum side. So you get, if it's just on default, you get between any time that the coin is between minus 29% of your entry price up to 40% above, you'll make fees in this whole range, yeah? But if you're feeling a little bit more bullish and you're more sure the coin's going to go up, then you might move this up to like negative 20%, so you get more range on the upside too. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. You can write in the comments if there was any questions you had about that. And yeah, that's basically like how you set up the range on Meteora. So yeah, if this was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.